Hi, this is Unit 4, Lesson 10, Factoring Differences of Squares, page 423, number 12. So, make sure that you have pencil and paper ready to take notes, have your notebook available, and you can, even open up your textbook to this page. The nice thing about watching this video is that you can pause it. So if you don't quite understand something, you can pause it, or if I'm going too fast, you can write it down, pause it, rewind it, catch up. So I like that about these videos. Okay, page 423, number 12. It says factor. So what I want you to do, though, is make sure you go to page 420 and review the factoring patterns. If you're doing this, if you're watching this video, my assumption is that you've kind of struggled a little bit with the work, but that you've also tried to do some of the work and that you've read the material. So make sure that you go to page 420 and look at that factoring pattern, the factoring patterns. There's a little box there. It's kind of in yellow. Study that and make sure you learn that. So basically what we have to do is take a look at the, we're going to factor this out, right? And it's going to look similar to this. And we know that we're going to have x here and x here. Remember? Because basically what we're doing is reverse of the FOIL method. So we know that we're going to multiply when we use the FOIL method, we're going to multiply these two together, and we're going to get x squared. And look, there it is right there. And so, positive x gives you positive x squared. Now, we need to take a look at the factors of the 80 to figure out, where are we with factors of 80? Well, we have 1 and 80. We have 2 and 40, right? We have 4 and 20. We have 5 and 16. Let's just stop there. And what we're looking for is a way of combining these two factors through addition, subtraction, or whatever that will get us 80. So do you see any way where you can combine the 80 and the 1 to get 11? No. 80 plus 1 is 81. 80 minus 1 is 79. How about with the 40 and a 2? 40 plus 2 is 42. 40 minus 2 is 38. That's not going to get us to 11. 4 and 20. Well, 20 plus 4 is 24. 20 minus 4 is 16. That's an 11. But bam, look at this. We've got a 5 and a 16. 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 is going to get us 11. That's what we need, right? Now check this out. Because this is a negative, right? We know that one of them has to be negative and one has to be a positive. Because a positive times a negative gives us a negative. That's the only way we're going to get that. Now we also know that this has to be negative. So watch, it has to be negative 16 plus positive 5 equals, that's the only way we're going to get a negative 11. And we have to get a negative 11. So it's got to be x minus 16 and then x plus 5. So that's what we write down for an answer. How do you know that that's true or valid? How do you know? Well, you use the FOIL method. Let's use the FOIL method. X times x is x squared. X times 5, right? I like just using the arrows. X times a positive 5 is 5x. Negative 16 times x is negative 16x. A negative 16 times a positive 5, that's negative 80. Combine like terms and we get x squared minus 11x minus 80. Look at that. It's the same thing. So we did a check. That's the nice thing about these problems. I love problems where you can do checks so that you know for sure. I mean, almost every problem you can. But there it is. Okay. Hopefully you found this helpful.